And share our screen and start second part of our lesson number 4. So we stopped on the information about weight of factors, every 6 factors for our variant. And now we need to write the points in our table. So we have such table, but not with 4 factors, with 6 factors. So all weights of these factors, the sum of wage is 1 for every variance. So 1, or if we think about it in percent, it will be 100%. So now we have 10 suppliers of transport process, and we need to use every our factors and put this task for every supplier. First factor for every variant is product price. So product price is important for us. We understand that for every company, for every variant, it is important. For some variants, it is more important. For other variants, it is less so important. Yes. So we find this product price in our table 2.1. We open this table 2.1 and find first factor, product price. We need to find from first to 10 suppliers, we need to find which type of price is the is the lowest from these 10 positions. Try to find from all variants 6 supplier has the last position. For example, it is 5,500 grivnas. It is the last position for price. So we need to put some points for every our suppliers from 1 to 10. It is very simple because we have 10 suppliers and we need to put a task from 1 to 10. For 5 suppliers, we need to put 1. Why? Because it is the best position. The best position we put task 1. The other position we put 2, 3, 4, 5, and to 10. So we find that the best price for us it is from 6 suppliers, and we put here 1 in our table, in our documents, or in our paper list. Please write this task for 6 suppliers. It is not variance, it is suppliers from 1 to 10. It is our transport companies. From these companies, we need to choose only one, the best for our company by our wage positions. The next best price on the second place, we find it, and maybe it is 7. 7 suppliers, it is 6,500. We put here task 2. It is our second place by the product price. Okay, find number 3. It may be number 3. Supplier number 3 has the third place in our rating. We put here task 3. The next, okay, number 8. The next number 8, it is 7,500. We put here number 4. It is 4th place in our rating of all suppliers. Okay. Next position, we find next position, and it will be supplier number 1. We put here number 5. It is 5th place in our region. 5th place. Next, the 6th place, and we find, it is number 2. Number 2 has 6th place. It is 3,200. 6th place. Place number 7, it may be 9. Oh, sorry, we forgot about false suppliers. It will be
Yeah.
number 7, and second supplier number 8 in our region.
No, for suppliers number 6.
Okay.
Second suppliers number 7.
Number 7, okay. The next 9 supplier number 8. 5 supplier number 9, yes, 900,000 hryvnias. And the last, it is 10 suppliers, supplier 9,500. It is the last place in our rating with number 10. We put here task 10. So we'll do the same for every other factors. So for every factors, we need to understand what is better for us in this position, and we put in the best position point 1, and the other position 2, 3, 4, 5, and other 2, 10, because we have 10 suppliers. If we have, for example, 20 suppliers or 5 suppliers, we also put this text from 1 to 20 or from 1 to 5. So it is very simple methodics. Okay, let us do the next second position. It is product quality. It is also for every variant. So it for each variant it's also need to do. So it is product quality on a 100 point scale, and we need to understand that if we have 100, it is the best position. It is the best product quality. The product in our task, it is transportation. So transportation process. So we could see that in all our from all our suppliers, supplier number 5 and supplier number 10 has the same position in product quality. It is 100 no, point or percent. So how we could to choose from them? 5 and 10 is the same in this position. So we put both of these suppliers first place in our rating. So we put for supplier number 5, 1 first position, and for supplier number 10, the same first position. Because we couldn't choose which of them is better. We couldn't find any adding information. Now we have only this information, 100 point scale. So, okay, 5 and 10 has the number 1. We put right here 1. First position in our rating. The next will be a supplier number 4. It is 90 point. So we put here number 2.
Supp-
Oh, 9.
Supplier number 9.
Yes, yes. Thank you. 9 suppliers number 2 and fourth supplier number 3. So we continue the numeration, not from 1 to 10. Here we maybe has another situation from 1 to 9, for example. It is possible. Okay, number 4 in our rating, it number 3, supplier number 3 has the fourth position. Next, we find supplier number 8. It will be a 5 position in our region. After its second suppliers, it's our 5th position. And the next, you continue the enumeration for other suppliers, please. Find this information and for everyone. So in the second factors, we have the places from 1 to 9. In the first factor, we have position from 1 to 10. In the second, from 1 to 9. Okay, and now we need to do the same for other false factors. Remember that we have for every variance we have six factors, and now first and second factors we already find and put a task for everyone. Now we need to find information about our other four factors. I open table 2.2 and see for your H variance now. The next position after first and second, it will be position 4, 5, H, and 13. 4, 5, H, and 13. Okay, position factor number 4, it is quality of customer service. It is also on a 100-point scale, and we find the information that if it is near 100, it is the best result for us. For example, for false factors, the best suppliers will be number H because it is 90 point. So it is the best result by this position. So for H suppliers, we put here number 1. It is the best in our rating. And find number 4 and the same. Okay, I am first to help you to understand what is the best position, and after it, you put all this position in your rating for all factors. Next, your factor number 5, it is supply disruptions in units. So we find that the 0 is the best position here. So when we could find 0 for first supplier and for 10th supplier, it is the best because it never happened in these companies. Next, it is 9 position. It is possibility of long-term partnerships. Near 100, the best result. And 13 position it is product packaging. I think it is very good when we have such service because if we need it, we could use it. But if we need and this suppliers couldn't give it for us, so it is maybe not very good and not very useful for us, and we need to find where we could do it. So when we have near 100%, it's the best. Okay, you
Um,
have question, yes?
Там не 9 position, 8 position level of delivery and storage.
Okay. For your level of delivery and storage costs. Yes, in this position, it is about price, and our company maybe want to pay less. Yes, so we find the less sums in all this rating, and it will be the best for our company. Okay. Okay, now please choose all this position for your variant and
and and
write it.
13 is 100 is the best.
Yes,
Uh, okay, supply disruptions. No,
number
fives.
5. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Uh, 0 is the best.
Yes,
Next one. If
yes,
2 and 9 have 1, it's 2 point. Yeah.
yes. It is second place in our rating for both and 2 and 9. Yes. But in
Okay.
third place after it for 3 and 8.
Uh-huh.
Yes, so
Next
it,
for 7 and 5, 6. Okay.
yes, yes. Okay, please write all this position for your table and we continue. Okay, Nikita, maybe we stopped on this. Please finish to put all our place in ratings, and we will continue on the next lessons because already finished time of our lessons. So we could continue calculations on the next lessons. You
Okay.
finish or you need this table sometime?
Yeah, I finish, yeah.
Okay, so we stop sharing, hence stopped our lessons.